Projection of planes. A plane is a two-dimensional object having length and breadth only. Its thickness is always neglected. Various shapes of plane figures are considered, such as square, rectangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon, etc. Based upon orientation, planes are classified as perpendicular planes, having their surfaces perpendicular to one of the reference planes, and parallel or inclined to the other reference plane. Second is an oblique plane, having their surfaces inclined to both the reference planes. Projection of different planes' position with respective to principal planes. Surface of plane parallel to the VP and perpendicular to HP. In this, we have a plane ABCD, which is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. The projector lines from A and B, extended through C and D, meets the HP in points A, D, and BC respectively. The line A, D and BC is the top view and horizontal trace HT of the object. Since the plane is parallel to VP, so there is no vertical trace of the object, and project the front view. Note: the trace of a plane is the line of intersection, or meeting of the plane surface, with the reference plane. The intersection line of the plane surface, with HP is called the horizontal trace, HT, and that of VP is called the vertical trace, VT. Surface of plane parallel to the HP and perpendicular to VP. In this we have a plane ABCD, which is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Since the plane is parallel to HP, so there is no horizontal trace of the object, and project the top view. The plane is perpendicular to the VP, and the projector line from A and B extended through C and D meets the VP in points A', D', and B', C' respectively. The line A', D', and B', C' is the front view and vertical trace of the object. Surface of plane inclined to the VP and perpendicular to HP. Let's take a plane ABCD, and its surface is inclined at angle theta to VP and perpendicular to HP. As we can see, the top view is A, D, and BC. And front view is A', B', C', and D'. Let's illustrate its construction in detail. For this, first locate the point AD below the reference line XY at D1 unit. Measure an angle theta and locate the point BC at D2 unit. Then draw a line AD, BC. From these points, draw a vertical line to meet XY and extend them further for a distance H unit to get the points D' and C'. Then extend it further to locate the point A' and B'. Observe by joining these points, we will get the front view. Surface of plane inclined to the HP and perpendicular to VP. In this we have a plane ABCD, which is inclined to HP at angle theta and perpendicular to VP. Projection and illustration of both top view and front view as shown below. Surface of plane is inclined to both HP and VP. Construction and projection of plane which is inclined at an angle 60 degree with the HP. and 30 degree with the VP. For this, let's go through the steps. First, assume the plane is parallel to the HP with its longer edge and perpendicular to VP. Observe the diagram for step 1. The true shape and size of the plane given by its projection on HP. The front view will be a true line parallel to reference line XY. In step 2, rotate the front view projection by angle of 60 degree. Draw vertical line from point A', B', and D', C'. Intersect the horizontal line drawn from top view ABCD from step 1 at points B1, C1, D1 and A1. A1, B1, C1, D1 is the top view of the plane when inclined at 60 degree with HP. Now rotate the edge B1, C1 of the top view by angle of 30 degree at step 3. Draw projections from A1, B1, C1 and D1 to intersect the horizontal projection from D', C', and A', B' to get the points A2', B2', C2', and D2'. Observe A2', B2', C2', and D2' is the final front view of the given plane surface when inclined 30 degree with the VP. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.